Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot how to turn on Oculus Quest 2 when it won't turn on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow: charge the device. For this purpose, you have to connect the headset to a power source using the original charger and cable. Allow it to charge for at least 30 minutes. Number 2, force restart. Press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds to perform a hard reboot. Number 3, check for software issues. Ensure the headset is running the latest firmware. Use the Oculus app on your smartphone to check for updates. Number 4, factory reset. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 20 seconds. Use the volume buttons to navigate to factory reset and confirm with the power button. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.